Alright, so you've got a Mazda 5 and you want to upgrade the lights in the interior of the car. This includes the two map lights in the front, the center dome, and the rear trunk light. So how do you do it? If it's easy or hard? Well, we're going to find out. Let's get right to it, shall we? So this is all you're really going to need to get this job done. You'll need a flathead screwdriver of some sort, nothing too big, a cloth, a trim tool will work as well. This is just to take off the panel to get to the bulb. Obviously, you'll need a brand new bulb. It wouldn't help to have a pliers, and I'll show you why in a bit. That's all you really need. We're going to start off the light in the rear of the trunk. So you take the flathead screwdriver with the cloth, the smaller one. You got to put it right back here and pull forward. So we're just going to go and put this right here like this. There's actually a little opening, a little clip there, and you kind of put it in and kind of pry it forward. This will lift it right out and you get access to your bulb. From here, there's a little, like this kind of, looks like almost like a brass type of thing here, clip. You just pull that and that'll pull the bulb right out, and then you just kind of turn it over and drop the bulb. That's the bulb there. You're going to be looking at a 3175 bulb. That's the one you'll be looking at to replace. So then you grab your new bulb and you're going to put it right in here. It's going to be kind of awkward to get to, but you kind of work it around inside. So you're going to wedge one side first, this kind of more metal side here. And then once you get it lined up, kind of squeeze in this kind of brass one. Put the bulb right in. It's going to be tricky though, because you don't exactly have a lot of space to work with in there. These LEDs tend to be a slight bit bigger. So you get in there, and I'm going to push that in. Get over, and there. We're in. Now turn on. See, nice and bright, right? It's awesome. Now putting this back in, you just kind of put it on like this. Sideways, there's two like kind of lips here, so that has to go into the trim. And then you just push it, and you're good. Okay? All set. So next up, we're going to do the middle dome light that's in the center of the car. Again, make sure it's off. And you'll see there's a little notch that's right in the front here. So again, you're going to get your cloth with your flathead screwdriver. You're just going to put that into the notch and pull forward. This will give you direct access to the bulb, which you can then just grab, pull right out. There's actually a little notch. You'll see there's a little clip. You take the clip and you just move it to the side, and you'll be able to get the bulb down no problem. So you see, this is what the inside looks like. You can see that's the little clip I was telling you. You just pull that, and that allows you to pull the bulb right out, and away you go. Now this too also uses a 3175 bulb. So putting it in, you're gonna, because the clip is on this side that's facing toward the passenger side of the vehicle, you're gonna put it into the driver's side first, get it seated, and you're just gonna push up against the clip. And it should just fit right in. It may take a little bit of coercing.
This means sit for him, this means down, right? And this means
And there you go. On and bright. Putting it back in then, you're just going to take, now you're going to see when you look at the lid, you see there's two outer clips and two inner. These two inner face this side. They're going to, just like how you took it out and pulled from this side, you're going to go in like this, push it in, and then just fit it right in, and away you go. Now for in here, there's two clips that are on the inside of this piece. So what you want to do, if you have a trim tool, that's best, but again, I just said you just need the screwdriver. You go right in through the side, or sometimes you got to go through the top, whatever the case. And you just need to get to that clip. You just kind of pry a little bit, not too much, you don't want to damage it, and you'll see the clip is right there. And you just release it, and the whole thing comes right down. Once it's down, you just take your cloth, the screwdriver off your cloth, and you're just going to release the plug that's here. That's just a little piece right here for the clip. You're going to push that in and release it, and it's out. So once you have this off, it's very easy to change the bulbs. There are actually these two notches right here. So all you do is you're just going to grab this one, for example, and you're just going to turn it. Careful, there's some wiring here, so you don't want to interfere, but a little bit tricky to turn. Actually, with that wire there, makes it even trickier to really get the leverage in, but you just go in and you turn it, see? This is the harder of the two, to be honest, because this one has no wiring. There. Now these are 194 bulbs, so you're just going to pull that right out. Get your 194 LED. You're going to put that right in. Now the only unfortunate part to doing it this way is you can't test, because as some of you know, LEDs can be, sometimes the polarity can make a difference, right? You have this way doesn't work, you turn around and it works like this. So unfortunately this is going to be one of those things where you have to take up a little bit of a chance. So once that's in, you just put your bulb in. See the bulb is in there. You line up the hole. And this is the more awkward side. And again, watch out for that wire. Push that in. And you twist. And it's in. Do the same for the other side. This one again, much easier to do because you have all the leverage. And I just hope that we put these in, because I always hate having to take stuff back out after. So let's hope these are in the right way the first time. There. That's it. So now we're going to test it out. So you just take your clip, put that back in. We're going to go here, we're going to change it to door.
We got the sofa, and you would stand here, and I'm over there, and Bimbo, come here. Whoop. No run off. Just right over.
Looks like both of these are not functioning, so let's go ahead and pull that back out and retest.
And I don't know, me and my wife, he thinks it's not okay, and I'm like, it's his hands. You can do that with his hands. We just have to train him that you don't like it.
There you go. So we flipped it around. That side works, so we'll do the same. Fortunately, for the more difficult side, we're wrong on both counts there.
Didn't matter, it was minus 20. Nope. Push the other side, yeah.
There we go. Now putting it back in. So now we know both are working. Putting it back in now is just a matter of lining these up. You have your clips here. Just gonna put that in just like that. Push up. Get it to clip right into the clips. And you're good to go. Alright, so hopefully that video has helped change all your lights. Now whether you have to just change the bulbs regularly, or in the case of this Mazda 5, the lights are getting upgraded to LEDs. Hopefully this video has helped you out. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments. I try and answer whenever I can. And of course, if you dislike the video, make sure to leave that in the comments too, just so I get a feel for what's going on. Something you didn't like about the video, something didn't work out, let me know why, alright? On that, I want to thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next video.